He continues, I'll just make one more comment in the speech. The ambassador says, Pakistan talks one policy and they walk another. I'll continue. The World Muhajirs Congress has written a letter to the United States Congress. Who are these folks? Well, they represent the views and interests of the Muhajirs. They are descendants of Muslims who migrated from India to Pakistan at the time of the partition of India in 1947. And they write a letter, and the title of their letter is World Muhajirs Congress requests the U.S. Congress to cut off military aid to Pakistan. And they go into detail talking about the terrorist activity of the government of Pakistan, not only in Pakistan, but in borders across across the world. And they request that the Trump administration, the U.S. Congress, cut off all military aid to Pakistan. Pakistan Army and the intelligence agency of ISI is mainly using the military aid, American military aid, to kill innocent Baluch, Pashtuns, and Muhajirs. The double game of Pakistan's security establishment with the U.S. must come to an end and has put lives of U.S. and NATO soldiers in danger in Afghanistan. I ask unanimous consent to introduce this letter into the congressional record.
So ordered.
So what does all this mean? I've given 20, 30 enumerated counts of an indictment against Pakistan, alleging them of supporting terrorism in the world.